How to avoid infringing public domain works. Have you ever wondered how to safely use creative works that are in the public domain? It can be tricky, but understanding a few key points will help you navigate this area. First, let's clarify what public domain means. Public domain works are those creative materials that are no longer protected by copyright, trademark, or patent laws. This means you can use them freely without needing permission or paying fees. However, it is important to be cautious, as not everything related to a public domain work is free to use. To start, you need to confirm that the work is indeed in the public domain. This can happen for several reasons. The copyright may have expired, or the copyright owner might not have renewed it. Sometimes, a creator intentionally places their work in the public domain. Additionally, works created by United States federal government employees in their official capacity are automatically in the public domain. Even if the original work is in the public domain, be aware that new elements or adaptations can still be protected by copyright. For example, if someone creates a new arrangement or translation of a public domain work, that new version can have its own copyright. So, it is essential to use only the original public domain content without mixing in any new copyrighted material. When considering trademark and patent law, remember that copyright protects creative expression, while trademarks protect brand identifiers, and patents protect inventions. Just because a work is in the public domain does not mean that any related trademarks or patents are also free to use. For instance, a character from a public domain story could still be trademarked if it is used as a brand identifier. Similarly, patented processes or designs connected to the work might still be protected. Here are some practical steps to avoid infringing on public domain works. First, verify the copyright status of the work. Check publication dates, renewal records, and the creator's death date if applicable. Second, avoid using any trademarked names, logos, or symbols associated with the public domain work. Third, ensure that you are not using any patented elements related to the work without permission. Fourth, stick to using only the original elements of the public domain work. Do not incorporate or copy any new adaptations or derivative works that may be copyrighted. Lastly, if you are unsure about the status of a work, it is wise to consult with a legal expert. They can help clarify the work's status and any related intellectual property rights. By carefully distinguishing between copyright, trademark, and patent protections, and confirming the public domain status of the work, you can safely use public domain materials without infringing on intellectual property rights.